If you start every month at zero, chasing new jobs just to pay the bills, you're on a treadmill. Today, we build income that shows up whether you sell or not. Welcome to day 45, halfway to 90 straight days of free daily business prompts, a brand new one every single day. You've got happy, repeat customers. Today we turn that repeat business into predictable monthly income you can count on. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's. And remember, the full prompt is pinned right in the comments, so copy it there. Here's what keeps most small businesses stressed. Every single month, the income resets to zero. Doesn't matter how good last month was, you wake up on the first and start hunting for work all over again. That's exhausting, and it makes planning impossible. The businesses that break free do one thing. They add recurring revenue, a maintenance plan, a membership, a subscription. Customers pay every month automatically. Even a handful of these changes everything. Most owners just never package it. This prompt does. Here's the prompt, and it's pinned in the comments, so just copy it there. You tell it what you do, and it designs a recurring offer for your business. What's included, how often, what to charge monthly, and why it's a no-brainer for the customer. It even writes the pitch to sell it. It turns your one-and-done service into something people happily pay for month after month.
Cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quiere ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.
Watch. Say I do one-off power washing jobs. I paste that in, and it builds a maintenance plan. Quarterly exterior cleaning for a set monthly price, priority scheduling, and a small loyalty discount. Then it writes the pitch. Keep your home looking new year-round. No thinking required. One low monthly payment. Sell that to 20 customers, and I've got guaranteed income every single month before I book a single new job. Recurring revenue is the difference between a stressful hustle and a stable business. It smooths out your slow seasons, makes your income predictable, and even makes your business worth more if you ever sell it. This one shift can change your whole life as an owner, and like every prompt on this channel, it's completely free. No course, no catch. If this helped, smash that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We drop a new prompt every single day. The full prompt is pinned in the comments. Go grab it now. See you tomorrow for free daily prompt number 46.